Look at this. You could get the brake caliper file wire brushes and a Calvan Tools 4-piece extractor set. That's a square shank spiral, just fantastic. Pep Boys fender cover 2-pack, 2 of those bad boys. Got his old car and he's working on it. $40. What up, guys? CP the Tool Addict. Woo! Hopefully I didn't scare everybody if you had a bunch of people in your house and were watching this video. I pre-recorded this video, so obviously my Thanksgiving's going on while yours is, probably, if you're watching this. I just thought it would be fun to put out a video, and we're going to do a little Black Friday since I hadn't really talked about it. We're going to do my top 10 Black Friday picks, but we're going to do them a whole different way. We're going to kind of scan through and find some stuff, and we're going to try to keep it under $50 for the people out there who are looking for stuff. Maybe a good gift for somebody, and you guys can go along with me. You know, just find stuff that's a decent deal for somebody who's looking for some gifts for some people. If you only got $50 to spend, this is the best way to go here. We've got the Jasper EDC deal. We're looking on the JD Tico site. And the beautiful part about Black Fridays now is I don't know how you guys are, but I don't like going out. So I can just order this stuff online. I don't find it really, I don't know, call me new aged, but I mean, you can find all this stuff. Tools are so easy to find online now, and there's so many good deals out there. But the the Jasper EDC deal, that's a heck of a good deal with the grips on the Nipex. Not bad. We're going to look over a couple sites, so I apologize, Nick, if I started off hot with yours, but these Easy Red Green Extreme logo work lights. Now, I will say he did have this one up here. This is above my deal, and I don't like lights, but 2 lights for $65. I do have the green one, and I do, it is a nice light, to be honest with you, so 2 of them for $65 is not a bad deal. I really enjoy it. I think I got another mystery box deal. Oh, and by the way, his mystery boxes are out of stock. They were $35. That was a killer deal, but I wouldn't sleep on that $100 one too. Just saying. I'm contemplating whether I'm going to do it. I just don't. I got to be leery about buying stuff because I know I'm going to end up with the same tools that I normally have. That's a brand new tool from Lisle. We're going to switch over to Lisle's site too. There's also another good one, the JD Tico Zip Trim Tool, which is the same. That's a great tool to have. You can put that in a stocking stuffer. You got $20 to spend. You know, you can buy some other gadgets and whatnot. Guys, these little gifts like this for people, especially like your son or brother or son-in-law. Right here, we got 2-piece Lang pocket pry bar set. These are fantastic deals to get. I don't think you have to spend. I don't think you really have to spend a lot of money sometimes if you're looking to do gifts. And these $50 gifts, I think, are really nice, and you know, they show some stuff, or they give you some options out there. We got a Vim clearance combo, little micro wrenches there. That's a little neat gift, $39. We've got a Sabre 150 foldable light, much identical to the Snap-on one. We've got the Lisle exhaust pipe hanger pliers. Guys, you cannot go wrong with those neither. We got JD Tico cable cutters here. You can step up and even get a pliers wrench. Spend a little extra, you know, $9 and get them. We got the Mayhew 2-piece mini pry bar set for $25. We have the K-Tool dual polarity cordless DC tester. They're handy. It's kind of a forte of how you use them. We got a Mayhew 4-piece micro pick hook and pick set, $25. We've got a Vim 1/4-inch drive 10-inch indexing breaker bar. We've got, let's see here, we got the Vim 3/8 indexing breaker bar. Steelman, the oil filter. If you got a diesel mechanic, maybe spend an extra $10 for there. Keeping it around that $50 range. We shouldn't be just pushing the $50, but you know, Mayhew hammerless pin punches, $33. There's tons of these gifts out here. You know, if you can score 2 $25 gifts, right here we got a King Tony VDE insulated. King Tony is actually interesting. They are the same tool company. A lot of people don't know them as KT Pro. But they are, well, right here, we look at the wrenches. And that's King Tony. KT Pro, they're the same. They're pretty decent. I've actually looked into them a little bit, and I've actually was impressed with what I found out. Vim's Torque 5-piece Torque box wrench set, $49. The KT Pro wrench set, 8 to 19, $49. JD Tico, I will say, has a plethora of tools on his site for Black Friday shopping. I mean, make those guys work. Just we can continue going here. We might not be able to get to another site, but I'm just looking. The Calvams. That's I want to 50-ounce dead blow extender. That's for piston driving and whatnot. I kind of want to get that too. $45. That's an interesting tool, but not something that would be necessary. But could be handy for some people. We're not looking at anything. $35. We got some neck lights right here. Anybody that wants neck lights, they are rechargeable. $35 there. Let's see here. Oh, they're already out of stock of the Vita Top Plus screwdrivers for the whole set. You can buy a number 3. We have the magnetic flexible slot wrench holders, $39. I guarantee you anybody that's got a toolbox will not be disappointed with getting those wrench holders. Let's see what else we got here. I'm sure we can find much, much more. We're getting deep into the depths of the JD Tico tools. Let's see here. Curian round terminal set. I do have that. The Curian's nice. Right here, Vim miniature nut driver set, $32. Definitely, if you got a guy that's techie, even somebody who works on computers and whatnot, this is a good set for him to get too. To have that Vim 4-piece file set, you cannot go wrong with having a file set. There's the Torx, the miniature Torx. I tell you what, anybody in the household, especially if you're going to be putting toys together in the Christmas time, never know when you're going to get that Torx, random Torx. Tighten up your screws in your pocket knife, $32. Guarantee you somebody's going to be happy you gave that to them. Wrench rack, Steelman Pro wrench rack, $49. What else do we have in here? Let's see here. The JD Tico Ultimate Tool Detailer Kit, $35. What a screaming deal right there. I guarantee you, not only do you get a work mat, plus you get the cleaner with it. And you get a rag and a brush. So, yes, that's definitely a good gift to get for Christmas. Keeping the theme of under $50. The Lisle spray gun holder. JD Tico does have just about all the Lisle stuff on here, too, so that's good. We've got an oil filter wrench for $15. Maybe somebody needs one of those. Don't sleep on it just because it's an oil filter wrench. Put some hints out there. The Schlong water saver for $40. Heck, that's not terrible neither. Let's see what we got here. Let's move right along down the line. This one right here, JD Tico brake caliper file and wire brushes. Very, very, very nice gift for your mechanic out there or someone else's, your son or whatnot. Cleaning those brake calipers with those files, very nice little deal, $26. Like I said, and then you can always get yourself a little heat shrink. This is a great gift. Screw extractors, $20. Look at this. You could get the brake caliper file wire brushes and a Calvan Tools 4-piece extractor set. That's a square shank spiral flute extractors. Okay, yeah, there you go. Or you get a 6-pack of the wire brushes. Trust me, these are like consumables that guys will absolutely love, or any mechanic, for that instance, any person, DIYer, mechanic, whatnot. These are like consumables. Those brushes are just fantastic. Pep Boys fender cover, 2-pack. 2 of those bad boys. Got his old car and he's working on it, $40. Man, I'm telling you what, people forget about this. We got the Vim. Oh, no, we don't have, that's too much money. Let's see here. Come on, load us up some more. Come on, load us up some more. Let's see what else we got here. Lisle adjustable spark plug boot puller, $29. I guarantee you, more guys do not have that tool in their toolbox, and they will absolutely use it all the time. The wrench, the warranty checker universal wrench extender, $25. These are fantastic grips. And then we got right here the cordless tool holders, $14.95. You get a pack of those. Man, I'm telling you what, JD Tico green handle flush cuts, $25. Tons I think we're just going to stick with the JD Tico site here, guys. He is definitely right here. WIA Impact bit set piece right here. A bit set you cannot go wrong with. $35. Man, I'm telling you what, that right there, put that in, get yourself, spend another 20 bucks and get yourself a, or 25, you spent, go a little bit over and get the flush cuts. I'm telling you what, great gifts right there. No doubt in my mind, you're going to put a smile on somebody's face. The hubcap remover. Even add that in if you want to with something else. These gifts, on keeping it a simple, right here, quarter-inch ratchet combo, $25. Why is this not sold out yet? If you're not buying this stuff on Black Friday right here, like there's so many great gifts right here on JD Tico's website alone for $25. I was going to go look around, but man, he's got it all right here. And I'll be honest with you, rope ratchets, you can't beat those. Steelman magnetic wrench holder, $10. 2-pack of rope ratchets. The gifts are just crazy on the JD Tico site. And I'm not just saying that because I like Nick. Me and Nick talk a lot about this stuff, and this is kind of one of those things where I keep telling people is everybody sleeps on is they don't sell these $25 items that are just handy, usable, and worthwhile. And JD Tico listens, and this is what you get. It's this great selection of tools. The charging Astro USB, if you've already got a guy that's got a USB charging pad, that also will charge anybody's phone that has a magnetic charger or any other magnetic light. It doesn't have to be an Astro. They charge all wireless charging products right there. So, once again, $33. You put that on the stocking stuffer, believe me, you're going to get some big people that are going to be shocked when they open those up. Right here, Nipex Cobra Slim Water Pump Plier, $45. I am just totally impressed. Right here, the 2-piece plier pack. A pair of pliers and a cutter is $30. Once again, add that in with the Jasper utility pry bar. Oh, it's already out of stock. Never mind. I can't talk about that. Easy Red flexible magnetic organizer mat, $39. Man, I'm telling you what. JD Tico really went above. Nick went above and beyond. I say JD Tico, but I should say Nick really went above and beyond to have a good selection of stuff for you guys. I mean, I'll be honest with you, and just if you want to step up just a little bit above, you know, like the Sonex metric stubby wrench. I do have the metric stubby wrenches, and they're not high torque, so they're not bad. I'm not a huge fan of the Sonex wrenches. A lot of people know that. They just kind of bug me. It's my personal preference, not nothing to, you know, take offense about. But $89 for a full set of wrenches, you're going to surprise somebody. So for the DIY mechanic guy, you're not going to be right here. WIA soft finish multi-dryer. WIA makes amazing bits. The hose cutters right here, $13. So many options on JD Tico's website. Just scrolling through here, and then we get into the Trusty Cook hammers, $50 hammers. Buy somebody a Trusty Cook hammer, and you're going to get smiles all around. We got punches, more hit tool punches, more cable cutters. Let's see here. What else do we have in here? I don't want to get this video too long, but man, I am just, I'm overwhelmed here. I could go look around for all this stuff through multiple websites, and all was right here. I was going to look around and show you guys some other stuff, but JD Tico Truck Air Chuck right there, $23. Is that a 2-pack? And it even says JD Tico. Does it say F Corporate on it? Nope, it says trucks. Yeah, just awesome. Power Probe piercing kit for somebody who does diagnostics. The Parrot pliers, $38. Those are actually pretty handy if you get into something with a knife. It says sway bar, but I'll be honest with you, those things hold nuts. If we got like a rounded nut, they work fantastic. We have the Lisle universal trim hook. Astro Pneumatic ratcheting double flex wrench for nano sockets, $59. I've showed that on my videos before. That's an actual great thing to have if you have the nano sockets. CTA spring-loaded clamps for your spring clamps on your radiator hoses and stuff like that. Adjustable oil filter pliers, $23. Man, I'm telling you what, right here, professional wire strippers, $38. You can't lose. And I'll tell you what, you get anybody, if you're looking to spend on $100 or go a little bit higher, the Calvan light duty slide hammer puller set, it's very similar to Snap-on, despite what Nick says. I know he's not going to like what I say here, but it's not the same. But it is of decent quality, and it will do a good job. So, and I believe he said he would warranty it. Oh, what do we got here? The Sweet Pea funnel deal, which brings me up to another point. The JD Tico funnels, and then we also have the Lisle funnels that are brand new. I will throw a link in the description for the Lisle. I will throw a link for the Lisle tools under $50 in my description that I don't see on here, but he's already out of the Steelman's. Those were cheap too. They went for a good deal. A radiator hose plug sets, $39. Guys, I'm going to leave it off right here because we have so many. $59 for a vessel pack. Malco, the PEX tube slicers. I do have a little announcement too. Oh, right there, twin grips. Can't beat those. Man, I can't stop. I just can't stop. JD, these right here, locking plier holders. Hey, if you got Malcos, Vise grips, those are great too, $40. So many great tools on here. So many great things for Black Friday. You know, get your wife, hand her this video and say, hey, watch this. Take CP's advice. And, you know, don't have to kill yourself looking for stuff. You know, we have all sorts of options on here for $49. Almost anything that's under $50 is a pretty good option. You don't hear me saying too many things. Flush cutters, $20. There was another pair of flush cutters. I think I have that flush cutter, actually. I don't have the other one, but I do have that one for $20. So that's a killer deal. Say if you want to go $5 cheaper, it's Japan made too. Keep that in mind. Just on a massive amount. I mean, look at the electrical tester kit, $59. Guys, I'm telling you what. Hand this to your wife. Tell her, hey, look, just take CP's advice. The JD Tico EDC special, right there. We have the Calvan Mini constant pressure tube cutter. That's a great cutter. It's small. The Vim auto adjusting locking oil filter pliers, $47. Black Friday deals all around. Hit them up on JD Tico. Let me tell you right now, guys, there's so many great deals on here. They have went above and beyond to be ready for you for Black Friday, Christmas shopping throughout the deal. So anyways, guys, that's my video for the T-Day. I hope you guys ate your turkey and you're relaxing. And, you know, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to you, all your family. I just can't say enough good things about how great this holiday season is going to be this year. I'm super excited, and I appreciate you guys always. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell. Remember, keep your hands dirty and your money clean. Thanks for watching.